fire explosion and Sabre, yeah, witness very dangerous and very serious. We want to say, into me ensure what exactly caused the fire. But then fire tenders eguso, yeah, the ombe to me, sebe na ombe to me, ama ano abafom. It's very dangerous, very very dangerous. And so we want to say, nipa a work she hani nyina no every la, woman basen ko ba behwe bi. But security are very tight. Say untumi encross. So reason in say your cylinders and what bia eja no ewo no. Wo ben ho first one edi can explode which was very dangerous. And into the fear is there are other cylinders a eja no ewo. Pressure no build ewo mu na and also explode. It's more or less like missile bia anywhere a chance I say it to me ewure nipa no mu etete nipa no. And into Sabre say here in live live coverage a trade fair center no and chain pe make say so when it 37 won sa nifa so and a trade fair center no wo na chain pe and gas filling station e wo ho eja atomu as Sabre cylinders ni be exploded and into security according off nipa e wo ha fire tenders no guso eba joint police and military and I'm saying 37 and half a military establishment into no a soldier for abaha I just say who say patrol teams ni na no obi a na dwuma say be the fire tenders keep coming if you say the di kan buy no e bi ensuo esan. And so we try to get close and see if we can give you a better view of what exactly is happening. It's very dangerous and very serious. The ama aye hu kese a ohunu se abambofo ejinagina ha nyina ene se nipa ben ho pia e wom se jane ye pese dum no, but that could also be dangerous. Ohunu se police cars eguso eba, ambulance is also on standby. Say any casualty for now we can't tell. Say yes boss. But we can't tell, say, be a challenge be SC inside officer. I have very difficult to get very close because of how dangerous the situation is. Say, a tossling the more, the danger, and say, pressure a building a more, it me explode. And into nipa baby goose ropa, it didn't kind of nipa no ebe. And some of the first explosion no air ba. It goes so air she, fire tenders no go so very armed. Womu ache se ohunu se womo tunsuo no esen ekosoro ena military for no so ebo modern se ombetumi according of Red Cross van aba, ambulance aba ache se obia eye na famu de se obetumi aboa na wombetumi adum jano without any casualty. Yebo modern se yebetumi ehunu asu se esi ye na nipa ni bi ewomu anase na ebi enim. There are several accounts are eba, but we want to get the exact situation. But you see now ha. Okay. Mumu bi anyway see na mo ha. Explosion is see na mumu bi ani ha. Oh, okay. Okay. Hey, chale. Boko there. But BBNC were inside or be a nanny nipa. Wow. Oh,
nipa. But as and now I can't confirm that, but
okay, but there were some people. Shit. No, but this one you can confirm that because looking at the way they look, no,
possible.
No, yeah, this one they are dead. This one you can confidently say.
But minjo number one.
Mate.
Had a boss one minjo number na. No fraud. So no come. So number now from minjo. For work information.
Oh, okay. What's that good evening?
For like to hear my when I'm from minjo.
And so for now we can confirm say nipa ni bi afiri mu.
Excuse me, sir. Please, for the media, I think I know. I cannot go towards that side. Which me point
I know how.
No. He has not explained yet. He's still in the distance. One is still in the distance. So he's still just to give you a live set. Yes, it can. How many people say
Very serious situation. Soldier for Hannah Chairman said Nipa Enum. 5 people have 5 bodies have been retrieved so far. Nipa and Marco Enum. It's getting difficult to get in because of how dangerous it is. Cylinders in the back when the kind I exploded at that ambulance eguso acha say as I said, Nipa Enum 5 persons and Asabre security for Hano say Womo Efrimo. Very sad story. But the cause of the fire now we gas filling station and Asabre Arahosamoa etise SC. As I was sharing live Kofi TV, so this is our live coverage of a year Eja Asabre Atomo Ewo Trade Fair La Enchen Hope na so far 5 persons are said to 5 bodies are said to have been retrieved, but as to say why and why not, that we can't tell for now. And into the ambulance ebi ena abesen ekono. The important is here.
I'm say ne ba ne say omo de gas no bi aba omo feel it inside door. Now say aya na taxi for no bi so ba so omo be feel it. I'm say leakage and started sa de explode. Nti no explode na say emre so ha na aya na taxi no trotro ni nyina ha nti amanfo be fa kwa no na say student no so ebu so if you are ebi so workers ne no man na don say ha na say new site amanfo sisi dan ne no man na de nti amanfo nanti ko short distance to traffic na chinzi ko for nti edu kwan mu am say expo du ye no etwemu ko traffic ni inside nti omo nam kwan no ne no man na de nyina no and ja no e bi kan omo ho be ro ho awro but right now the nipa 6 and if you sisi a
6 na omo ye nipa omo ye adwuma ho na se no mu twam keke
yeah nipa 6 ndo omo ye adwuma ho 4 ye hu 4 inside omo ye adwuma inside and other 2 no omo wo roadside ho nti no am say omo twam ni bi and ja na kan
and to say how difficult is it to get there the situation when himself free inside the one nearby what to say
yeah this is no on say gas filling station no ha na ye too and the situation is say omo pese omo pese e be call so about the next one nti no omo do nsuo no try say car na say no wo mu gas no na eja na dem star air no to omo situation so metumi abre eno ase ni say be ya ntumi ensan ba second one no and then what traffic inside no cars no bi ba cause e cross ko traffic no nti no cars no bi ba na ama ebi musu ko inside wo a omo dum inside wo so eja no
eja na bi wo inside
cross for road no ko traffic ni inside.
Okay, na kese trade fair ho de na nye cylinder ni bi na atom na mom dan na ho no.
Dan na ho no because of cylinder say yes exploded nti exploded no and across nti omo nam kwan ho no mo ye jump ebi mu say 2 months bi na ne ba ye hu omo no dem say omo no eja na kan omo say ebi mo to fast omo fa omo to omo say nko omo do omo si chiro but anye ye na omo nyina wi nti ja na bi wo inside tankers no bi e ba na omo ko 5 service no bi ba na omo ko inside.
Odin here first saying.
Your friend Daniel Emisa.
Daniel Emisa. Daniel student be so okay so has students so far.
Yeah, this is
school bank run work here.
Zen encourage. Yeah, na say a student na makwan. Na kan yesa anke be more because on say that time around 5 no e ko 6 no student no e be sin. Omo ko bi mu ye hostel bi wa ha ya. E bi mu so begina ha say omo fa ka ne no manade. E na ha na nkasa so akoye say trotro no. Yeah. Trotro ni shada engineer hansi nipa no ya omo nante na omo ko because traffic na chi no yo amount for construction for omo fi wo besin aba ne no man adinti no a short distance amount for nante e de ko echiro na on say ha no so akoye say nungwa cars no bi ni other private cars ni bi doje e fa ha ko ya traffic na fa ko new road na fa ko ekosi chibrel.
Mentimi nru ho ankasa is it to say
ani jana ho na ehye no ta na buy no gas na buy na ebe yi gas no na sila ejade ma ehye no because say I want me and control no a betimi aspro about another gas filling because na hu wa hai baby we no ECG pole ni si no e ho see another gas filling station because A2
okay
into omo protect say en cross them ma ho.
Adi we BSC pen new town mekai no more offload gas sa na we no na taxi na aba ana ye fele no ana say omu bu gas na free
because na gas no ho omo free don say na sometimes omo free e bi musu gina ho like omo chance omo free no mu wi a taxi for no bi ni no omo be to gas ni no man e bi we inside do enti see akọ inside do a lot of cars wo ho like ashi or how we say cars ni bi wo ha sisu a ahye ejadem nipa na omo ha na omo ye adwuma nde at nipa 4 at sport de hu so omo ho a omo ahye and the 2 so ye hu 2 kwa no ho a omo 2 no sugu kwa no ho a omo so omo ahye
mama hwese menya opani nchiemu e ode mai bia.
It's still very dangerous, so he's asked that we wait till they bring the whole thing under control before he can give me detailed briefing as to the extent of the damage. So we're as of now, we have about 8 people who have been rushed to the hospital, severe burns, and 5 people who have lost their lives. And we have one of the gas station burning and part of the trade fair also on fire.
I'm sure investigations are still ongoing, but have they given any hint about what might have caused this explosion?
Not at all. I think it's too early for us to be able to ascertain what actually caused this thing. But as I said, the commander in charge has asked that we wait. So once the thing comes, he brings the whole thing under control. Then we'll actually even know the extent of the disaster. At the moment, we still don't know even the extent of the disaster. I'm sure once this thing comes, everything is settled. We'll get the fire service to come so that we'll then be able to know what was the cause of this unfortunate incident.
Do they know the number of people who were there at the time?
No, no, no. We don't have a clue. As I said, I mean, we keep hearing sketchy that there are even some people still trapped behind the fire, behind the cemetery. So we are still waiting because it's still, at the moment, the commander tells me that it's still dangerous. Even those of them who are trying to bring the fire under control, you can see are treading very, very cautiously because we don't know whether there could be a further explosion. So we are waiting to make sure that we bring this thing under control, and then we'll be able to know the extent of the disaster.
Are you told whether the victims are those who work there or passersby?
Yeah, I've asked I've asked this question. I'm also, I mean, people are telling me some of the people who have lost their lives were people who are people who were passers-by, and some of them they believe are people who have queued up to buy their to fill their cylinders. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Member of Parliament, Mpatamuha, and what is all my a bit of history and as a bit of information, the SC. Also, my number Nipa 5, and until for now, between 5 and 6 Nipa, I bet me akase one more ato, the SC mo. Enya enumuye ejanaguso asabri eshe. All the forces are here. I will be a from the say and spread it. Nkobia ebia ebetumi aye hu yebo modern se betumi aben ho kakra but security for na nkasa nche mo modern ma ye ne say it's not good for us fi say ba kwa adikan explode omo hwe ni mu say the other one na ejademu no so betumi explode and explode a the etiane say nam say eye metal no etete a spread it. And so, spreading there is no safe haven. One you're careful, like I say, become what? Maybe a bell war no, a bit to me, but we are still trying to see, say, a bit to me, a ben hokakra, na yama mo de koso, inside the hall. Praying, say, a janabeko from kakra, then we can get close and then see what exactly a koso. And it is a fair no kind of your trade fair no chain hop. The tennis gas tanker bar or gas a day a goo a year cylinders a honomu. Now in cause of it no and yes a taxis and so a coho gas a ban say up to now yin to me who be a janish here. But the numu and a pager man I'm so aquacofa a rehosemwa et say a day abba nipa a numu coincia de sabre one more ato ama one more pranso a critical and watch. Yadom so arash eco 37 ayare sabia. Esi yenche memfa ne be don hwe ba ko a entemuni. Ejane guso ede odum je adwuma ku obo homoden se won betumi abre ano ase. Anti yeguso ede live coverage wo Coffee TV and yade ema. So if you are watching us, this is our breaking news. Codeman, I say this is not about politics. I don't know if Obi any politics there, but it's a sad development. And then all the forces and Sabe or na Ghana police aba or na Ghana fire for aba. Obi a yana from there because to say no, I say we kind of say time bomb if it's a cylinders in about when the kind I exploded that. No, I'm doing
Those are the picture I'm on. Okay. I'll make my store in my house. Give you some. Yeah. Yes, and then screw there. And then serious issue about it. 0200. What is the danger? 0200.
and into Sabre Yaguso the in life coverage the danger and the sad development and it's bodies no make us say one more I just say a good crime more one more would that but the sad part and say or their friend say water hydrants I ban say a JB sisa ye to me at the drobetum a twins you know edidum jano and yadia just a be ewaha and yadia water hydrant bia ewo ha enti no wo mo pompe nsuo no na nsuo no esa na wo mo asan ekọ esa kwa kwatwa foforo e de aba enti ni na ko edi kan ba ha ntempa ni oba so far what have you been able to gather ya to say nipa 5 bodies egu in between the two cars no nipa 8 ya rush omo de omo call hospital no fire hydrant and so fire tenders and nsuo they have to go and refill and come what area ha wakubu gas what happen
makobu gas wa sa unze gas body an game majuma enti mabebu gas wa sa enti ade no buy me do ha me mission because you name da obebu gas you name say just say da oba ha obebu gas ha bibi anyo na say bia nyame kaka na je because chale I mean ena nupa na omawu so name say bia nkofo mu ye adwuma wo na say obi obo ha obebu gas te say ye say eni call nti am hihye pa say bibi say betumi say say I mean all of a sudden like that and fire no buy no just say a blast armor ade no kosoro pa ma just say nkofo omo fie far away from this place baby I meet all the way e binu say wireless near ade no omo fire no wo ewie mu just say ejana nkasa ansa na who say and people there who say na me dey chema who say na nkofo dwane wo me area mu omo dwane gidi enti na me who dey who say na chia na me ni ba na me hu ye na who ye in ka che say yes anu ekoto to friend inside say say e ka no efie bi si o say managers ni bi dia fire na koto so say anu roof no da so she fire for almost baba say akwara bi o no so we pra akwara na pra pa na ye de no ko
but unim the danger yeah you gina ha nyina soldier for na say ye nhwe ho ye because Okay, thank God. I think womo to me edum the next one no ohwe womo to me edum no, and so we can say it's a bit safe now. But abrana eguso a air den nyina no na explode we were all at risk. I bet me atete ama e bet me akwakofa we be cry dia brɛ.
Exactly, yeah, because on say me na me gina ha na me hu say fire tenders no omakọ fire trucks no omakọ be say 3-4 times omakọ no maba and say omu ya na so no sa no omakọ but me abare ba kwa ye me won say ye call inside the trade fair no according to trade fair security officer no according to trade fair security officer onu osi na nim say no osi no okọ patrol nti on na patrol no so na osi fire no free so na e be bo na nim say ena ade no Saturday e chase no fire no start chase no nti omo mo trade from offices na no start jani sa nti onu kwa to form ama se osi nim fie ne ya na osi ade no buy no fire station na what trade fair inside no omo call some fire not even a single soul. No, five is be any ho. That is the only option is some free headquarters. Not here, but if you're on but at least or more hampo at least with their expertise and with their skills, no, they could have managed the situation a bit. But according to him, no, the sana corner, yeah.
Okay. And into yeguso ewo la area had yankasa la then the minimum trade fair chain. That's it was if an upon one junction or no.
Pound Junction there, a hase, but I had here. There's a new community I developed by for Chadu. Chadu, say a body na a bo ebe si anyina say ha nyina Chadu, but say cemetery nusu ha. Ti normally mo say la go me now. It's like where the on party say Chadu, which is abeka Chadu no, which is e fra anyina Chadu. Sorry, la Chadu.
All right. Nina kon news editor ewo Adom FM na yene no edi enkomo no. Still giving you a live coverage ewo trade fair enchen hwa eja asabre ato cylinder mu na eguso a chese. It's a sad development. Very sad development. Very sad development. Very sad development. James Benjamin Mayor, you asking us to speak English. Okay, basically what is happening now is there is fire outbreak here in Accra, Ghana, just close to the Trade Fair Center, La. The understanding is there was a gas tanker that came filled with liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, to discharge into empty cylinders that were at the station. Unfortunately, in the process of doing that, we are not able to tell what exactly happened. But people here tell us that was when the explosion started. As we speak, 5 persons have been confirmed dead. About 8 have also been seriously injured and so rushed to the 37 military hospital. Security personnel and ambulance services, the police, fire service are all doing their best to control the fire, because the fear is should the fire spread to the other cylinders, that could also be disastrous, because already we've had one explosion. I mean, one cylinder exploded, and that was what resulted in the 5 persons losing their life. And so that could also be disastrous should another cylinder explode. That is why the whole place has been cordoned to prevent media persons and some people who live in this vicinity from getting close to the exact place where it happened. As you can see, the place is a bit dark, but then we're trying to still see if we can get a bit closer. And then na mo amhwe amonti hwe kasa no etofa bomu na yede ema mo no. gas explosion ɛwɔ la trade fair no nkyɛn hɔ pɛɛ. Okay, we have La Manche. Welcome.
Thank you.
What exactly have you been told so far?
I heard the news, so I've come to verify what happened in my town.
Have you been briefed so far as to what you've not been briefed at all?
I heard it in the news. As a responsible citizen, I've come to see what has happened there. So let me go nearer and see what has happened and then come and interview.
Okay,
At the moment, I can't tell you anything because I don't know what has happened, but I heard it in the news. So I've come to see, to verify what has happened in my kingdom. So after going to the scene of the accident, then I shall have something to tell to you.
Thank you very much, Ni. And inti yeah, as I see no, yeah, La Manche, and yeah, no, Eddie and Commano, yeah, but more than say, you bet me, I've been yeah, scene no ankasa na yeah, say, still take smoke up in the air. We see any kumo pa. I say a bit to me. I've been seeing honor. Yet to me, Mama. I can't take a crap. It's a serious situation. We're trying to take some risk because danger and it's a cylinder and be exploded. We can all be at risk. And to say, we want to say, a jano guswa, just say, to me.
I just went live, but they wanted me to show it.
I debate me, I can say fire service for no abomoding to me, a jano be but still not safe If you are just joining the feed, the question say there is a gas explosion at a gas filling station. And I know, and nipa enum afromashe womonkwa.
Yeah, I'm going to go inside the trade fair in a long time. I was there. I spoke with the security guys there. They saw the fire coming.
So you get that all that information. The deputy chief firearms
Otherwise, before you see, you hear the focusing on.
What is a few nearly? Yes.
As I've been working on the Atiana say a year eja and I thought a year gas filling station mo a year trade fair center la in China. So far, Nipa maako enum ɛna ahwɛ wɔn nkwa afei ɛna ɛyɛ abambɔfoɔ no ako gya no a nti wɔn aba ɛbɛbɔ mpanimfoɔ amaneɛ nti yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛtumi ɛnya account no na yɛde ama mo.
We are just setting up the command center so that it will be easy for us to come. 0545 6 Then the voter is 0299 350 159. You have it.
Madam, mobilisation.
To continue from there, whatever is happening, just be taking records. And then we'll update.
And so close to the Trade Fair Center. And Sarah was saying, yes. And in this affair, no, I can't want your Trade Fair Center la na the thing you say cylinder and I explode our gas filling station na explode and nipa e mako enum na afemu ahwe wo mo enkwa e bi nso prepare me do mo kogwa yare sabia afei ene ye hwe ni musia ni mpanimfo bedi nkomo na wo mo amaye briefing na say wo mo ahye yen adekopoten ya esie yɛhwɛ sɛ nipa no office entie ne sɛ betunya ba sɛ nipa ne bi ɛda so ɛwɔ ɛdan no emu ana sɛ wo mo wɔ hɔ a yɛntumi enya hunu wo mo enti for now bodies a wo mo hunu a wo ma hwɛ wo mo nkwa de wo mo ɛyɛ mako enum. Sarah Usu, I say I just passed there like 2 hours ago. Sarah, you are safe. If it's a woman, a chemuni be crowd, why be more? We say why in la Teresa Budu Teresa la trade fair in Chen Hope, Quine from Copiemo, University of which when he didn't buy them. Nana Kwame Yabua, I was so sad. Yes, Nana, very sad.